Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to flip your videos in Premiere Pro, okay? So I have this video here already loaded up and I'm going to show you how to flip it. So what you want to do is head over into your effects panel. If you don't have your effects panel, simply pop into Window and make sure effects is ticked, okay? And that will load it up. So once you have effects open, head on over into video effects. You want to scroll all the way down until you reach transform, and then you have another drop down and you have the horizontal and vertical flip, and it's pretty self-explanatory at this point. If you want to flip it horizontally, just drag this little logo onto your video and it'll flip it, and it's the exact same with vertical too. And then if you change your mind, head on over into effect controls. Just here, and you can literally just cut and it will take that effect off. So that easy, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.